In today's episode of the Story of Animals, we unravel a tale of amphibians, masters of adaptation, survival, and evolution. Often mistaken for one another, they share common ancestry, yet are worlds apart in behavior, physiology, and habitat. Their differences are a fascinating study in nature's ability to diversify. Join us as we leap into the world of frogs and toads. Before delving into their differences, it's vital to understand what binds frogs and toads. Both are members of the order Anura, a group of amphibians characterized by their lack of tails and remarkable jumping abilities. Amphibians themselves are evolutionary marvels, having transitioned from water-dwelling ancestors to land-capable vertebrates. Both frogs and toads undergo metamorphosis, a dramatic transformation from egg to tadpole, then to their adult forms. Their permeable skin, essential for absorbing water and breathing, ties them to moist environments. But here, their shared lineage ends, and their unique adaptations emerge. Perhaps the most noticeable distinction lies in their skin. Frogs have smooth, moist, and sometimes shiny skin. This texture aids in their dual role of respiration and water absorption. It also necessitates habitats near water bodies to keep their skin hydrated, a critical survival factor. Toads, on the other hand, wear a warty, dry, and rough cloak. These warts are actually glands, which can secrete toxins as a defense mechanism against predators. This skin adaptation allows toads to venture further from water sources, thriving in drier habitats. Despite popular myth, touching a toad's skin won't cause warts in humans, but it may irritate sensitive skin if their toxins are secreted. Frogs, the gymnasts of the amphibian world, have sleek, elongated bodies built for agility. Their long, powerful legs are designed for impressive jumps, often propelling them many times their body length in a single leap. These legs are also perfectly adapted for swimming, making them adept at aquatic maneuvers. Toads, in contrast, are the sturdy tanks of the amphibian realm. They possess shorter legs, making them better suited for walking or small hops rather than dramatic leaps. This difference in build reflects their contrasting lifestyles. Frogs thrive near water, while toads have adapted to terrestrial environments. Frogs are creatures of water, often found in rainforests, wetlands, and ponds. Their survival hinges on proximity to moisture, as their skin must remain hydrated to function. Their habitats are often rich in biodiversity, supporting their predatory lifestyles as they feast on insects, small fish, and even other amphibians. Toads, being more robust, have ventured into drier and more diverse habitats. From deserts to woodlands, toads are experts at retaining moisture. Their ability to burrow into soil helps them escape harsh conditions, showcasing an impressive survival strategy. Even at the earliest stage of life, frogs and toads exhibit key differences. Frogs lay clusters of eggs in jelly-like masses, often anchored to vegetation in water. These egg masses are highly dependent on consistent moisture to prevent desiccation. Toads, on the other hand, lay eggs in long, stringy chains that can stretch along reeds or shallow waters. The arrangement of these eggs helps them survive in less stable environments, reflecting toads' adaptability to harsher conditions. Both frogs and toads have evolved fascinating ways to defend themselves. Frogs rely on agility and camouflage. Their ability to leap far and blend into their surroundings is their primary means of evasion. Some species, like the red-eyed tree frog, flash bright colors to startle predators before disappearing. Toads, with their tougher skin, are less reliant on evasion. Their parotoid glands, located behind the eyes, produce toxins that can be lethal to would-be attackers. Combined with their unappealing appearance, these defenses make toads formidable survivors. Unusual fact: some frogs and toads can play dead to avoid predation, flipping onto their backs and remaining motionless until the danger passes. Frogs and toads have long been subjects of myth and folklore. Frogs often symbolize transformation, rebirth, and fertility in various cultures. Toads, conversely, have been linked to witchcraft and poison, a reputation stemming from their toxic secretions. Despite these myths, both creatures play critical roles in ecosystems. Frogs and toads act as both predators and prey, maintaining balance in their habitats. Their presence or absence is often an indicator of environmental health. Frogs and toads may share ancestry, but they have carved distinct niches in the tapestry of life. Frogs, with their agility, moisture-bound existence, are the acrobats and serenaders of the amphibian world. Toads, on the other hand, are resilient wanderers, braving dry and rugged terrains with warty defenses and unyielding tenacity. By understanding their differences, we gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life and the myriad ways in which creatures adapt to their environments. So the next time you encounter one of these amphibians, take a closer look. You may find yourself marveling at the wonders of evolution. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution.